Been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking your bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport LE in Labrador Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, forward collision mitigation, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7600.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.